Good afternoon, listener. Welcome to the Insightful Talk. I'm Eka, your host. Today, we will examine the devastating floods and landslides that recently struck Sumatra. This disaster caused major destruction and raised critical environmental policy and disaster preparedness. Joining me, Eriska, Chandra, and Rara. Thank you, Eka.
Glad to be here.
Thank you. It's an important discussion. Let's begin an overview. Okay, Lisa, could you summarize the human movie? Complete continuous human from Camel superfooding across several regions in Sumatra.
Multiple record overflow and entire neighborhood were so
Landslides followed, especially in mountain area, cutting off access to rural communities. Several major chain bridges collapsed, making rescue operations difficult.
thousands of particles that will evacuate immediately, leaving behind nearly everything they owned.
Many shelters are closed and lack essential supplies. Communication and work failed in several regions, isolating many families.
Electricity and rainwater system were also temporarily stopped.
The situation escalated rapidly, overwhelming emergency response. The level of destruction is extraordinary. What factors link to such significant consequences?
This intense rainfall was the immediate trigger. The environmental degradation was a major magnitude.
Large-scale deforestation significantly reduced about the agriculture. Without king and vegetation, agriculture took place and uncontrollable.
Land use planning was poorly regulated in many areas.
Several residential and agricultural zones were close to urban. Infrastructure was not structurally prepared for extreme weather events.
Early warning system failed to reach remote communities on time.
Some evacuation protocols were unclear and fully inconvenient. This combination turned heavy rainfall into a large-scale disaster. So the disaster was only natural human disaster. Decision is intensified its impact. What has been the effect on residents and local communities? Thousands of families lost their homes and personal belongings.
Shelters are overcrowded and resources are insufficient.
Access to clean water is limited, increasing the risk of disease. Several health facilities are damaged and medical staff are overwhelmed.
Schools are closed because many buildings are being used as evacuation centers.
Students may face long-term delays in their education. Economic loss are intensive.
Agricultural land was destroyed, affecting the livelihood of farmers.
Small businesses also suffered heavy financial damage. Early wage workers are particularly vulnerable.
The emotional impact is severe. Many people are experiencing shock and trauma.
Interestingly, about recovery is increasing anxiety and stress. The recovery process will probably be long and complex. And how has the government responded so far? Emergency teams were deployed quickly.
Medical and humanitarian assistance has been mobilized.
However, transportation varies on the distribution significantly. Many advisors remain unavailable for several days.
Temporary bridges are now being constructed to restore access.
Financial support programs have been announced. Yes, officials project government for implementation.
Coordination between agencies is improvement.
Efficiency increases management must increase for future emergencies. And how about community participation? Community volunteers have been essential.
Local residents organize food preparation and supply distribution.
Many donate clothing and essential goods to shelter. This demonstrates strong public solidarity. And what lessons should be learned from this event?
Stricter environmental protection must be enforced consistently.
Reforestation programs on the and energy monitors. Land and development planning needs stronger regulation and rights assessment.
Infrastructure and drainage system must be improved.
Emergency communication technology must be upgraded. Preparedness education is essential for communities.
Evacuation drainage should be regularly conducted.
Disaster planning must be proactive and non-reactive. Science-based decision-making should with government policy. Prevention must be treated as the highest priority. Yeah. And what do you expect moving forward? Recovery will require strong coordination between government and public sector.
Long-term recovery must focus on sustainable planning.
Environmental rehabilitation is necessary to reduce resilience. Infrastructure investment will take time, but they are essential.
Community involvement should continue through the rehabilitation.
The lesson learned today must influence the future disaster strategies. The future depends on our communities to change. Okay, so to conclude, the Sumatra floods demonstrate the urgent need for responsible environmental management, effective disaster planning, and strong collaboration. Thank you for Ariska, Chandra, and Tara for your valuable insights. And to our listener, thank you for joining us. Stay safe and stay aware. See you next time. Thank you all.
But
Stay safe, everyone. Bye.
Bye.